Yo, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to give my trade recap for yesterday. I apologize for getting this video out the next day. I fell asleep super, super early, and yeah, I'll just leave it at that. But yeah, for the trade recap yesterday, I just wanted to go over the trade I took. So we did get a win today. Um, oh wow, yesterday, but also in this video we are joined with
Me, Joyce.
Joyce. She's my girl. Um, she's been on this journey with me from day one, and she's seeing me grow and learn. And she's gonna be there when I'm rich and when I'm up, and we're gonna make those TikTok videos and be famous and shit. But like no one will know who I am. Yeah. That type. She been with me when I'm broke, when I'm up, or when I'm in the middle. So shout out to her. She's killing it right now too. But yeah, jumping right into it. Market open. I'll kind of just explain. Um, so I'll kind of just mark out where. So like everything before this line, I want you guys to pay attention to. Everything after is the price action from today. So, yeah. So I see. So we had this 1 hour fair value gap here, which we are in a bullish kind of run. But I see that we inverse this fair value gap here. So if I show this on the 5 minute, um, it was we can see that we try to push back up into the fair value gap, but again we end up closing below it. So that's why I wasn't willing to go long. But if we did hold this gap, I would have been looking for something like this to take out these highs up here. But what we got instead was a nice push through this gap. We got a retest on the 5 minute, and we were able to kind of catch a move out. So, yeah, that kind of like sits in my bias of why I took a short, even though we're over bullish. Yeah, I can see that we're not displacing from these 1 hour gaps anymore, and the fact that we close below it just means that price is looking to retrace somewhere, and where the price retrace to this fair value gap here. So yeah, that kind of wraps it up for the buys for yesterday. So yeah, let's jump on to the 5 minute time frame. And if I go back, as you can see, it was a nice smooth trade. Just targeting these equal lows, not these equal lows, but kind of um, this structure load here. So as you can see, the 5 minute retraced up, took out these highs, as well as filled in this gap here, looked for an inverse, and I took short. What made me go short? Oh no, sorry. What made me confident, or like what made me more confident to go short, was that the fact that we didn't retrace into a 5 minute POI, we also tapped into this 1 hour inverse. Because again, when London session opened, we didn't inverse. Oh no, we inversed this 1 hour bullish gap, so it made it like it turned it to a sort of resistance point. And the fact that we came up, took these highs, but it wasn't enough, as well as took these highs and still closed within this bearish PDO rate, which is on the 5 minute. So like again, it was just confluence to go short. So yeah, when I see that we took out these highs as well as these highs, I was literally waiting on the 1 minute for some sort of inverse, which is what we got. Hopefully I can go back that far. So as you can see here, we inverse, so we get this structure here. So you get boom, boom, boom. So within that leg, from this high to this low, and then we made that higher high. So on that leg, we did create a 1 minute fair value gap. Oh, this is actually an inverse. Let me change this for you guys. But as you can see, we had that bullish fair value gap there. So I was just looking for price to react nicely, you know, seeing that we taken out these highs, you know, it will be enough liquidity to kind of push the market back down, you know, following that high time frame order flow. So yeah, we after we took out these highs, this all happened within the first like 3 minutes maybe of market open. So the trade was taken 5 minutes into market open. So yeah, once we got that inverse, I went short, especially this huge displacement candle here. Again, we've seen it before. You know, those are the ones where we would, you know, we really push through, you know, those targets. So, yeah, again, follow my plan here. We had a high time frame bias and high time frame narrative, which is why I went short, as well as kind of medium time frame, which is our 5 minute, where we look to see, you know, that we are bearish on the 5 minute as well. Well, in the meantime, and we took out some 5 minute highs, which are these highs as well as these highs, and we get a nice displacement down, inversing this gap here. I'm going short, right? So I targeted, it was a 1 to 3, targeting, you know, the previous structure low, just because we are bullish, overall bullish on the high time frame. You know, we are bullish on the high time frame. Like if we were to go short, you know, we fill up this range, but ideally, you know, we are bullish on the high time frame. So so that's why I targeted just that structure low, because that low didn't really mean anything. The low was just put in as a retracement. So it's an easy draw. And what did price do? We just draw straight to it. No up close candles. We go straight to take profit and super easy trade. So market's about to open again in like 34 minutes. Yeah, so another video will be coming out again tonight if there is a trade that I do take. Other than that, just wanted to wish you guys a good week. Wish you guys a good night, and to also be safe and use risk management. One trade a day keeps the doctor away, you know. And yeah, do you want to say anything?
Bye.
Hi, bye bye.